Hi, I'm Andrew, the newest member of the Bullion RV sales team. Today I got a new video for you about the Grand Designs Imagine 2300 MK. It's a brand new floor design, so let's go take a look at it. We'll start out outside, come back to the front. Here we got a little water spout there if you need to rinse your feet off before getting inside, hose down the dog, things like that. We do have the nice aluminum fold-in steps. Very sturdy. Good solid handles to grab onto when you're moving inside. One of the new features about this designs for this model, or sorry, for this year, for the Grand Designs, the trash can is actually accessible from the inside or the outside. There's also a place to put paper towels. But yeah, you can pull this out, throw your trash in when you're outside, give a hoot, don't pollute. Down here we can take a look. This is a dual axle trailer. It does come with Goodyear Endurance made in United States tires with anti-lock braking and some special weight balance measures with the balance beams in there. They've done a lot of work to make this really as stable of a ride as possible. Over here, here's the exhaust for your furnace. We have some plugs for any outdoor appliances, as well as park cable if you want to run a TV out here. Underneath these fold-in steps, you might be able to see it, it does come with a spare battery and a heated enclosed underbelly. Now these steps are the fold-in type, so a little different, but still very, very nice. Moving around to the front, you can see we have some deep pass-through storage space. So this does have a dropped frame, so even though it is a travel trailer, you almost get fifth wheel type storage. It does have manual cranks. Bring a drill with you, go to a little adapter and zip those right down. There's where you can see it's got spout for your sewer hose. Moving over to the front, you can see it does have these nice LED bars on the front, as well as a power tongue jack with a light in case you ever need to hook up at night. Two 20-pound propane tanks that will come completely full when you drive this off the lot, as well as a 27 series battery. Over here to the other side of the open storage, you can see we've got your battery disconnect, solar power, controls, outdoor shower, another outlet right there. Here's where your freshwater tank gets filled. Moving over around the slide here. There's a light right above your black tank flush and your sewer drain, which will help, if you're hooking up late at night and you just looking where you're gonna go, that is gonna help you out a little bit. And that sewer drain is located away from the slide, which will give you some convenient access. This does come with a ladder already pre-installed from the factory. It is prepped for a backup camera. And this unit, even though it is a little shorter, this does take 50 amp power. Got your hot water heater right here. This is a tankless on-demand system, so you will have pretty much instantaneous access to your hot water. Well, not instantaneous, but pretty fast. It does have a power awning that does cover both entrances, give you lots of shade. And one last thing about outside before we go in. This is your exhaust vent over the range, so if you are cooking, rather than having something that just kind of filters or blows air around inside to get out of your face, it actually takes it out of the cab altogether. Moving inside. Now, like I mentioned, this is a brand new floor design from Grand Designs. This trailer weighs just over 6,100 pounds. I'm sorry, just under 6,100 pounds. 6,038 pounds if you want to be a stickler about it. It's got a nice big kitchen. It does come with bar stools, and there is a fairly convenient and easy way to store these. I'll show you those in just a minute. Here you have access to your paper towel roll back in there, as well as your garbage. Again, this is accessible from outside. Helps just keep the campsite clean. Take a look at the couch here. There's a reclining couch you can see. Nice for afternoon naps. There is a power station in this movable center unit. So you are able to fold that down, get a couple cup holders, charge your phone, watch while you're watching TV or whatever it is you're doing. The kitchen has some really nice storage as well. These drawers make accessing this area a whole lot easier. Trying to dig in the back there, and when it's all dark, you can't really see what you're doing. Just pull that out. You're good to go. Soft close cabinets. Soft close drawers. There is a spot for pots and pans. They got these little pegs. You can arrange them however you need to make your dishes secure so they're not all jangling around when you're on the road. A 3-burner stove with a small oven. Some more storage over here. Up here you can see it's got the microwave. Even more storage with, again, those soft closed doors. And you'll have to forgive me for a minute. Excuse me. I apologize. We have the Air National Guard 148th F-16 wing right over by our shop here in Duluth, Minnesota. So if you hear something loud in the background, that's what's going on. We got your TV right here. It is on an arm, so it does come out a little ways from the wall if you want it to. You could also twist it over towards you if you're like me and you like to watch YouTube tutorial cooking videos as you're trying to cook. You can do that. Adjust the angle to make it easier to see from the couch here. I mean, you could even adjust the angle this way if you really want. If you're the only person using the camper maybe, and you're really invested in the score of the game, you can adjust the angle however you want. I'll let you make up your own mind on that. Over here, we do have this. We hit from both sides. Okay, we have this nice little counter. It does take 2 hands to close, but only 1 to open. Moving into the bedroom here, you can see it does have a full-size queen bed. This is not an RV queen. It is a full queen. Underneath it, some storage, nice movable drawer. And this is also the exact storage size and space needed to be able to tuck away your bar stools when you're ready to move. Again, this is a full queen, not an RV queen. Storage on both sides is identical, so it does come with a wardrobe to be able to hang things. 2 drawers, soft close drawers again. Each side has a little cubby where it does have a spot to charge your phone with a USB charger or access to a 110 outlet. You will want to be plugged into camp power for that, but that will be able to, have you be able to plug in a CPAP machine or anything else you might need at night. Above does have these 2 individual lights. These lights are kind of nice because you can swap back and forth between the blue and the white. The blue's nice if you don't want to wake up your partner at night, or maybe you need to get up and move to the bathroom and you want to see where you're going. Above here, some more overhead storage. And here's your second drawer. Over here, there is a duct for the heat coming into the bedroom. You can see there is an exhaust fan as well as a duct for the air conditioning. Now, if you want a second AC in here, you can replace this exhaust fan with a second air conditioner. There's room on the side here if you want to have a TV, hookups there, power outlets up top. Got a smoke detector. Now these track lights are something that Imagine is doing more and more of, and I really like them. But what's nice is they are also dimmable if you want to have them not be as bright. I'm going to keep them turned up for the sake of the video, but all of these track lights throughout the unit are dimmable. Let's move through here and we'll take a look at the bathroom as we wrap up. Now, this is a nice and large bathroom. It really, really is. And one of the things that I have noticed, with my time here at Bullion RV is if you're a tall guy, if you're taller, these Imagine series RVs, these are really nice. A lot of them have these lofted roofs, so there's a lot of headroom in there. And most of them, I can't think of a single one yet that I have seen that has not had a skylight. I'm not saying that they all have skylights. Maybe there are some that don't, but so far, every shower I've seen in one of these Grand Designs does have a skylight. And it is tall enough for me to be able to fit in here quite comfortably. So, I think I've said this in other videos. If you are under 6'8", you're gonna like this camper. One more shot of the living space. Turn around here. Take a look at the toilet. This is a porcelain toilet. There's quite a bit of storage in the bathroom as well. Your sink, including 2 his and hers medicine cabinets. Each one of the windows does have these privacy blackout curtains on there. You want to have some extra privacy while you're at camp. Then we'll come out and just take a look again. This is a brand new floor design from Grand Designs. Great new floor plan, really tall and roomy. If you're taller, lots of headspace, lots of room, lots of storage. This is a pretty nice unit. I don't think I talked about the refrigerator. 10 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. And speaking of which, the refrigerator, the bathroom, and the bedroom, you can see the slide here. When this slide is pulled in, you are still able to walk through back here, access your refrigerator, access your bathroom, and access the bedroom because of that second door. So if you are, pulling into a rest area or something and you want to take a nap, you can just pull in, open the door, and catch some of these. You don't have to worry about pulling that slide in or being hooked up to power or being inconvenienced just because, the slide is pulled in. It's a really smart design. Grand Designs, they've really put a lot of effort, a lot of thought into this, and it's a great little unit. So, again, I am Andrew with Bullion RV, talking about the Grand Designs 2300 MK. Please give me a call. I'd love to talk to you a little bit about it more. Love to show you. Pull it out. We'll pull the slides in, or pull the slides out. Bring in. We'll do a demo of it. Let's take a look at it. Play with all the cool tools, like the toys, like the benches, the faucets, all that kind of stuff. Really get a feel of it, and hopefully make it your own. So again, Andrew with Bullion RV. Please give me a call. 218-408-8739. It's 218-408-8739. Thank you.